God bless you, my dear. This is the day that the Lord has made. We choose to rejoice and be glad in it. My name is Vincent Ryston from African Mission for Christ, serving as a stations manager for Amfc radio station, the very first radio station in Machinga district. Today, I'm happy to share with you the progress of our radio station tower, just located a few yards away from our radio station building. So as you can see, our tower is now rising steadily up, and we are very grateful for that. Now I think it's on maybe between 25 to 28 meters higher. This is truly wonderful, and we give all glory to God for the great work He is doing here. Finally, I want to sincerely acknowledge our partners and donors who have made this possible. We deeply appreciate your support. May God count this as righteousness, and may His face shine upon you, and may He bless you abundantly. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.